Pussycat, where have you been letter to the Queen?
Lena, you read Pussycat the Queen. You read it.
Pussycat, Pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to see the Queen. Pussycat, Pussycat, what did you do there? I found a little mouse under her chair.
Everything's pretty much ready.
It's raining, it's pouring. What's this?
Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Miss Susie wants to play outside.
She just got one.
This.
Are we already the
Old
part?
Mother Hubbard
Old Mother Hubbard
went to her cupboard
went to the cupboard,
to find her poor dog a bone.
put by the bone
When she got there, the cupboard was bare,
there.
and the poor doggy had none.
The dog's crying.
Yeah.
Pussycat,